Now we are going to create a layout in QGIS 3. And this is the fresh QGIS window. So we don't have any maps yet. So let's create a map. Okay, we'll load for district in Aceh and district capital and road. Okay, so let's put the district capital, which is point feature, at the top by dragging it like this. And okay, now we will see the attribute table. Okay, this is the district, province, and country. So let's make a layout, a thematic map. Sorry, by click the symbology and categorize, and with the value is taken from the district and classify there, and this is the other values. We will remove it or delete it, and okay there. And one more, we will label it according to the district as well. Okay, so the tag is black. Okay, and we will put some mask here. Okay, buffer, yeah, something like that. And then for the road, we will do this styling panel here, and we will change it to red like that. Apply. Okay, and the last one is the district capital, and we will put it the black one. Okay, now we can close it. Now we have a thematic map here. Now we will add or create a new layout called Aceh layout, and okay, yeah, this is, well, I think we should change the orientation of our paper because our map is portrait, but the layout is landscape. It's okay, just right click here and page properties. Here we can change to portrait. Okay, then let's add a map here and just click here and drag to the bottom right. Okay, something like that. Okay, but we need to fix it. I mean, we need to fulfill the map to the entire layout frame. For that, we click move item content here, and we can scroll, and we can click and drag a little bit like this. Okay, I think that's enough, and we click again the select move item. Okay, for this we don't see any frame here, then let's put a frame like that. Okay, Okay, we will increase the thickness. Yeah, it is good. And first we will put the title by click add label here. Okay, and the text will change to Aceh Province map all cap. Okay, the font, we click the font, and we will add it maybe to 25. Okay, regular, we can put it bold, we can drag it a little bit here. Okay, okay, but this is not center yet, so we click again. Okay, from the font here we can click back, and here we can click the horizontal alignment center, vertical alignment middle. Yeah, it's good. And next we will put the arrow here, click like this, click and drag, and we can see here the picture item properties is pop up, so we can select the arrows here, any type that you like. I prefer this one. And next we will add the scale okay, kilometers. Distance, okay, okay, we can add the segments, left 0 and the right is 2. We can add right is 3, something like that. And now we will put the scale text. Okay, just click here and copy paste, Control V and Control C and Control V, copy paste, and the style here we change to numeric. Wow, it's very much. Okay, let's see here the scale. So we click the map and the properties is pop up. Here scale is 1,900,000, so we will round it to 2 millions. Okay, and we have 2 millions here. Okay, we will put it to the alignment here, display, and alignment here by center. Okay, that's good. We put it under the arrow, and this is under the text. For that we need to select it all. Oops, sorry, just click one and hold the shift. We scroll in to see the object clearer. So we have 3 objects selected here, 1, 2, 3, and we can drag it a little bit to the right. Okay, something like that. That's good. And next we will add the legend here and just click and drag. So we have capital district roads. Now, okay, we will do a little trick here. First, we will copy paste. We'll copy and paste the legend. So we have two legend. The first legend is only consists of district capital and roads. And for that, we click here and the district. And first uncheck the auto update and click the district and remove. Okay, so now we only have district and capital, and the title is legend, maybe legend 1. And the second legend, we call it legend 2, and uncheck auto update, and we remove the district capital and road. Okay, so the text, we can double click here and we change by district. In Aceh province. Yeah. Okay, now the legend 1, we put it here, and we will double click and we will rename it for human consumption. And the roads, we put the or, the upper or. Okay, so if you think you want to use the frame, no problem, just click the frame. But be careful, we must not cover the map, thing like this. So we drag it here, but this we need to adjust it a little bit. Maybe we can decrease the font. So let's click fonts and text formatting. Okay, the item label here, the 12, we will use 8. Okay, now we will use the column these, and we will check this and check split layers, and we will add or increase the count. Okay, but it's still not working. What about 3? Oh, not working. And 4. Okay, for that we will split. I mean, we will not put the legend into the frame of the map, but we split it to different box. Okay, something like this. Okay, so I think we will call the district capital and the road. Just click here and hit Control in your keyboard and click roads, and okay. Now we can drag the district under the road and then double click the district to do a little editing. Okay, and the road we double click and put the upper or, yeah, and we'll call it legend, not legend 2 anymore. For the legend one, we can delete it. Yeah, and we need to put a frame. Okay, now we can drag the line here from this ruler and just, okay, yeah, we'll adjust it. And we drag again the line, the guideline to the right. Okay, and we drag to make the same size. Okay, wow, we need to adjust it to here, and we will put it here. Okay, that's much better. All right, so this is the A4 design, so we need to put a note here. Okay, we call it note 1. This map was designed, this map was designed using A4 paper size, and the font is maybe 7. So why do we need this? This note is important in creating map, especially the paper size. So when we send it to JPEG or PDF and we share it to our friends, our colleague or our boss, and our friends there want to print it on a bigger paper size like A3, A2, so they know that this JPEG or PDF is designed in A4. Therefore, the scale text will be unnecessary, will be useless. Okay, so they can use only the scale bar for the bigger paper size than A4. Okay, you can put anything you like to these notes, especially for the future note. Okay, so oops, it's too near to the edge. Okay, just we will add the horizontal margin here and maybe vertical margin a little bit. Yeah, that's perfect. Now the last one is we need to put the grid line. Okay, to insert the grid, we can check the map here and we click grid, add the grid and click grid 1 and modify. So the interval is maybe 1 and 1, 1. Okay, yeah. So the math is the interval, everything is degree. Okay, so for now let's put the text, the coordinates. Okay, there. So this is format is decimal, minute, second there. Yeah, so this is 96 degree, 95, 97 degree, and 98 degree, 6 degree, 5 degree, 4 degree. So the interval is 1 degree. So what about if we want to make the interval of 30 minutes or a half degree? So this is the math. Okay, 1 degree is 60 minutes and 3,600 seconds. Okay, if we want to make a half degree, that it means it's 30. Therefore, we need to divide 30 divide it by 60. It means a half. Okay, so let's go back to our layout and we put it a half. 0.5, look, and 0.5 there. 5, 530, and 6, 430, 5, 434. So it is, the interval is 30 minutes or a half degree. The same, maybe we want to make it 20. The interval is 20 minutes, so we divide 20, divide it with 60 and 0.33, 0.33 and 0.33. 3. Okay, take a look at these. So if we change to second only minute, 5, 20, 20, and 20. The interval is 20. So many decimal. So we will make it 0 for precision. And take a look at this. 520, 540, and 6. 4, 420, 450, and 5. Okay, I think you can understand that. For now, we will use only 1 degree. Okay, the interval is 1 degree. Okay, but we need to make it interval, the label on the left and the right. For that, we need to click here and vertical, and the right also vertical. Yeah. Okay, if you think this is unnecessary for putting label above the map, We can uncheck the label. Yes, the bottom, and we will disable. Okay, and I think the font is too big, and the grid or the coordinate is important, but not too big, or not to be dominant. So we will put it maybe 7. Yeah, and the last one is the grid. See, the grid is too dominant, so it will cover the map, and which is I don't like. For that, I will use the color of gray, or gray, something like this. Okay, this is gray. Okay, or we can use this transparency. Okay, okay, we can use the transparency. I think that's good. So the map is clear. If you think the grid is still too thick, we can reduce it by, don't click the arrow anymore, just click the box and select simple line. Here the stroke line, we will change to 1 maybe. Okay, and okay, here transparency is okay. It's up to you how to use this tool, but in my experience, I recommend not to use the grid line too thick or too visible. Just transparent it, but we still can see the grids. Yeah, okay. Now we can send it to JPEG by click here, export as image, maybe here, and download, and I call it as layout. Aceh layout G P JPG, and go. Okay, now let's see the result. Oops, I'm sorry, we haven't created yet. So just click here. I mean, the image export option pop-up shows, and click save. And here we can see the status bar and export successful. Now we can go there to download. To to download layout and double click the JPEG. Okay, I think it's good. It is sharp enough. And what about the PDF? The same, just but different icon here. The export as PDF. The same PDF and go save. Don't forget to see the PDF export option dialog here, and there's nothing to change. Just click save and wait for the information here, successful or not. So this is successful. So let's go back to our layout folder, and this is PDF. Just double click it. Okay, so it works. Okay, I think that's all for creating layout in QGIS 3. Thank you.